Let's make a bow for our Alabama fans. Here we're using a red glamour mesh. This is about a 4-inch mesh. You can find this at tmigifts.com. We're going to do our loops on each side according to how full you want the bow to be. We're going to drop 2 tails, you can see right there, and then we're going to go ahead with another strand and start that tail at the top of the bow. This is just an easy way to create more tails. And then we're going to go ahead and do some more loops. And again, this is the base of our bow. And then we're going to go ahead and top it with our ribbons. For all our Alabama fans out there, we've got this really pretty ribbon. It's a 2.5 inch by 10 yards. And then it is an Alabama with houndstooth edging, which is super cute, really pretty, perfect for all you Alabama fans. This ribbon is only $7.95 right now on our website, so go on there and purchase it at tmigifts.com. And this would be a great ribbon to put in with a wreath or gift packaging, or even if you're doing an Alabama tree this year. So as you can see, we're using the same technique that we did with the base of the bow so that we could have several tails and several loops. This is going to be a really big, pretty bow. Then for the last ribbon that we're going to pair on top, we're going to go in with this 1.5 inch houndstooth. This has 10 yards on it, and we're creating those loops while keeping that gripped in our left hand. And again, we're using that same technique where we do a few loops, we cut it off, that way we can start over again, have lots of tails, and a very full bow. This ribbon is also on our website at tmigifts.com, and it is only $5.95. Again, it's a 1.5 inch with 10 yards on it. If you plan on doing any kind of wreath this year, for all you Alabama fans, we have a really pretty Alabama sign with houndstooth on it that will also be perfect. So make sure to check that out. And if you're a local, remember Lorie does do custom orders. And now you have a big, beautiful bow for game day.